Hello everybody, welcome to Daves Techway. You like to learn how to build a gaming PC? Maybe you want to learn how to build a gaming PC at a certain price point. Maybe you like how-to videos, teach you how to hook up all them ARGB lights, or maybe clean a computer, or how to get into your BIOS, or maybe how to install Windows, or stuff like that. Maybe you want to learn how to get the most performance out of them expensive computer components that you just bought by overclocking that CPU, overclocking the RAM, updating the BIOS. That way the auto overclocking gets the best performance out of them processors. Maybe you just want to learn how to update your motherboard drivers or something like that, something simple. Well, if any of that sounds good to you, if any of that interests you, maybe you came across the right channel. I do have weekly uploads. I do also have a weekly live stream where you come in, hang out with me, and let's chat. Any of that sounds good to you like watching this kind of content, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on. That way you're notified next time I put out a video or I go live here on YouTube. If you did do that, or if you decided to do that, welcome to the community. I'm glad you decided to join the community that I'm building here on YouTube. You all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video or live stream.